replace a door latch on my Lincoln Town Car, which there was absolutely not one single video on the entire internet that I could find that showed you how to fix or replace or repair a door latch. So I took it upon myself to go ahead and dig into the car and give it a shot. And found the part online, eBay, and half the price of the dealer. Figured out how to get in the door, all the complicated BS they've got to try and get at the door latch and get out the door, whatever it is, and managed to get it replaced. Did a video on it, and fairly good idea, quite good. Still a little bit loose, isn't it? I think I could use a little more glue on it, but it's fairly stable right now. More like shock absorbent. And this plane needs it. So, I actually had one person said they really enjoyed it because of my language, which was not so good. And a couple other people that said, thanks, I needed that to help me fix mine. So it served a purpose, and had 2 or 3 people commented that it was a good thing. So, whether or not this will be a good thing is a plane that hasn't been reviewed in over a year by anybody. I like it. It's a lot less expensive than my other planes, the expensive ones that I've already took my apprentice, and because I definitely feel a failure in the stabilization or staying within bounds system they have to keep it where you want it. In case it gets out of control, it'll come back bullshit. This one just took off, and I fought it the entire way, trying to get it back to where I was until it decided to mate with a tree. And it stayed up there for a week. Week until I paid a tree service to send somebody out to get it down for me. So instead of a $400 plane, whatever, $450. Yeah, now it's a $500+ plane. Anyway, I think watching me do the rest of this, putting glue in there and crap, will be a waste of time. So, unless you want to see me hot glue, let's see. First things first. I think for the hot glue, we're gonna scribe some scratches. I wonder if that tape, clear tape, put a piece of clear tape in there. I wonder how that would work. Now we'll go with hot glue. So if we look at this CA remnants, shiny, it looks like the tape. If I use tape on it, inside duct tape, not duct tape, but the clear packing tape in there, hold it together. I don't know. Let's just go with the hot glue to start with. Anyway, I like this plane, and I'm determined not to spend the money for a new flight system, radio and all that other stuff. So I'd like to get it to work the way it's supposed to. And like I said, most of the other people that have reviewed these planes are from a year ago or more. Some may have actually said, "Gee whiz, that great plane really flew nice, blah, 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 blah." But you can see cuts in their videos. No offense, guys, I understand. But you see cuts in their videos showing not the crashes. So I'm assuming they had some crashes but didn't want to fess up to it. So they just, because they get the stuff for free, they gave it a good review. So the manufacturer wouldn't maybe cut them off from future prospects. Hey, it was working. So, but because I don't get it for free, and I've only had this a few weeks since end of April, or sometime in April, I think it was. Ready, here we go. Okay. Take this and spread it around a little bit. Flattening it out so it doesn't interfere with anything over here. Not sure if that's going to be in the way or not. It did a little bit right there. Just a little bit. So that's right over here. Glue set up pretty quick. Excuse me. No difference. Okay. Okay. seemed to do the job. So we cleared the interference situation. It's holding together. Broken. I don't see how that holds up. I wonder if I should put some on the bottom too. I got room. Just for the future. That's all. Okay. And a little bit in the bottom around the radiator oil cooler, the oil cooler intake, just to reinforce that other side somewhat. Okay. I think that should do that. And over here, you want to wait around while I glue this too? I don't know. Like it says, if you don't want to watch, just turn it off. Go someplace else. I'm sure there's a lot more interesting videos out there by other people that are more entertaining. This won't come out that way. I have to pull this out, stretch it, get some glue to pass down through there, jerk it around a couple of times to the wires down here. Yeah, let's see. As long as you're here. Excuse me. I did mention I got all kinds of screwy pulmonary problems that keep me coughing and gagging and whining and wheezing and all sorts of other stuff. Alright, just hold it right there like that. Okay. Let's see, turn this off because I don't think we need it. Right down. See this? So, what we're doing is tweaking this back. Hopefully I don't break it off completely. Actually, if I broke it off completely, might be the broke it or cut it. I don't want to break it because it probably won't come off in the right place that I need. Actually, it would. If I cut this through here, just to here, and then just re-glued it back on straight. Because flexing it like this will only allow me to get the glue in there so far, maybe completely. I don't know. But if I cut it off completely, right along this line, then I can just take it, glue it, put it back in place, set it a couple of times so the glue tacks up. It might be better than, what do you think? As they say, put a comment down in the thing there if you think I should or shouldn't, and by the time I get around to reading it, it'll be done. It won't make any difference anyway. So, what should I do? It's pretty resilient as it is. I think I'm just going to let the glue ooze down in there. Hand is stiffening up. I have no feeling in this hand, so it's a little tough sometimes. An operation on the hand, and 90% of it is numb.